Welcome to another insightful Snapchat tutorial on Network Guru. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of removing or deleting friends on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumb up and subscribing to my channel to support my content. Let's dive right in. To begin removing friends on Snapchat, open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, locate and tap on your profile icon, typically found in the top left corner of the app interface. Once you're on your Snapchat profile, scroll down until you come across the Friends section, then select My Friends. This will display a comprehensive list of all your friends on Snapchat. To remove a friend, simply long press on their name until a new menu pops up. From there, choose Manage Friendship. You will then see the option to remove friend. Confirm your decision by selecting remove, and that's it. You have successfully deleted that friend from your Snapchat contacts. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to delete friends on Snapchat. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. For more Snapchat tips and tutorials, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and consider subscribing to Network Guru for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.